Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. This saves time. Make sure you're signed into the Microsoft account tied to the PC or that you have the work/school credentials ready. Once done, open Settings, go to System, then about to confirm the device name. This helps match the recovery key later. If BitLocker asked for a recovery key at boot, write down the recovery ID that displays. Make sure to stay calm. This is just identification to find the correct key. Next, sign into your Microsoft account that you confirmed earlier. This is often where keys are stored. Once signed in, go to Devices and pick the device name that matches your PC. Under BitLocker or Recovery Keys, you'll see the 48-digit key. If the PC is managed by work or school, make sure to contact your IT admin or check Azure AD/Intune for the organization's recovery key archive. If you used a USB, insert it now and check for a TXT file with the key. Finally, copy the 48-digit recovery key carefully into the BitLocker prompt and press Enter. Accuracy matters, so double-check each group of digits. Once authenticated, Windows will resume normally. Make sure to save a copy of the key in multiple secure places. If you can't find any key, retrace accounts, check any USB sticks, and search printed documents. If the PC is managed by an organization, reach out to IT. Do not attempt repeated brute force entries. Troubleshooting tip: if recovery ID mismatches, you're looking at the wrong key or device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.